One person don't die, another one on top hospital bed, and Binet cargo them two way they don't burn. Now result that for fire way happen for inside some Binet place for inside the Loom Shante market this morning time for 9 o'clock. We go take una enter for day for talk that chapter. Tori to for this afternoon. We go carry on now. We enter for place where they call them say Yupwe, where some canoe where normal it be get for Komo cargo the way carry am for his skin. For side for Bonaberry, they buy for some say make it go now for Yupwe. And since then, with the years, say na sote time with big man for soldier the way they look over time, he come for can look way to a canoe he get. Before they go fit for level, that one it don't cause confusion as well. The people them where they come out for take their cargo, they talk say for come out cargo them for Yupwe, it go make again. They spend plenty money on top that chapter. Tori to for this afternoon, we go take una enter for inside Mojoka. Now for that side, so for inside Banga for Mongo, where would hear say this so people themselves for that quarter. They don't make worker for vex for sick as say light it never come. According to these people them, they say person where they work for a company where the local light it talks in a certain time where they go talk say make you know the pay money for toll gate. Now that time too we go make them people them where they shit down for that side, so for that toll gate them too they get light plenty thing them day we will go talk this afternoon. Newspaper we go enter to for them big part talk it tell we say no be na for sick as say you person is sabi for climb on top tree for bush butter. Now it mean say he go see all the black bush butter them on top that tree. I say no be na for sick as say person is sabi for climb tree for bush butter. Now it mean say he must to see all the black bush butter them where they dey on top a tree. Big part of it come out now for Albert in Djibouti. He be na Wikombi and person where they follow Tori house. It is done for Yawende. We return back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We glad for meet up una for inside that Tori house. This number 1 day for the week. Chapter for this afternoon, we go start now with this War 1 where it happen for place where they call them say Loom Chantier. Now for inside Mongo division, littoral region where fire it catch for some place where they say fuel for Loom Chantier. Cry where people they cry so it no be then an empty cry. First, some people they don't lost them cargo. Other one, now say one person fire burn am and another one he dey for on top hospital bed. Waiting, it provoke the fire. Now the thing that we plenty people they no sabi for that Abine place as well as the Siam. When the year say some woman they were born for inside. Now for sick say the woman it be the cook for them. Now the die body say that way they come out them inside the house so they be one take and go for co-house. Another one they way they don't take it go for hospital. No man he never sabi just now. Waiting, it provoke this fire for that Binet place for inside market for Loom Chantier for Mongo division for littoral region. And also here the place where the fire cash they said that way that they call them funge for inside. If no be population where kunkuma lost fire quick all the zone if for cash fire. Make we hear some of these people them talk for microphone for Jackie Nomolo.
The fire way don't go to the part of the morning time. Where one reach, I see some woman where they come out. Where fire don't catch the back. Where fire catch the back, so we don't chase and say we go enter for see people that person dey inside there. The fire we don't over all place, we don't over catch. But now so we dey also we don't talk some man inside the fire where the fire don't burn at all. The level the fire and burn, be like as if they sell petrol. When they sell petrol like this, they enter with petrol inside house. I never be there for corner where they catch fire, and the fire cause the problem now. I don't know what come on now. The fire don't burn all the back. We enter now for go put water for when ground. We say fire finish. Go meet us on my inside with fire don't burn all. Where we see and so. We always done so we don't do block and for them fire no reach to that side because other people na people they say nimbo them. If you fire for the other side, fire for cash all market. One man don't die, that one woman, and we will get between them. Now when the fire burn you, then that girl waits for 6 years for what we do. When fire don't burn all you back. You don't know what they go where. Now only God will make a meal where.
Fire don't burn. That one need to be with you. for us. We put carburant. You come the just for one at the hot chop. You don't know say fire go crash. Smart time we how you don't know say boom. How you come out? No I see that's how fire don't burn. Somebody sit there so your friend they don't care. Sure. That problem carburant no fight. You want don't die. You don't care that man for us. Don't burn you how it goes. So carburant.
And just so the thing pass for inside place where they call them say loom chantier country people them. We go take una enter for Upwe inside Douala here. Na this canoe that canoe on the Siam so we say come up for Nigeria where they go buy well he come on our town we say na Janga and dry fish a day for inside. Normal canoe it be get for turn up na for Bonaberry for place where they ever come out cargo them. But just now they say they know the turn up again for dinner for the canoe. They push and so they come now for Upwe side. They say now for day they get for commoting them, but they want commodity them. They fear say the people they don't carry some other thing them where they hide them inside that canoe. So just now we say people there they be there for the canoe. They be first take them go for gendarme place, and since yesterday the Janga and fish way there for inside that canoe is also there for day. They never agree no person for come out anything for inside. Mami way na them cargo way they on top. He try for talk for we waiting where he pass before they hold their canoe, drag and go for Upwe.
Since I come for Cameroon over 30 something years now, beginning to go school, my money don't die. Now that market me they manage. Now for Bon we the pass, he go market for Cap Cameroon. He bring market thing and he take grade here come salam. Now here he take my best school for begin. I chop buy my medicine and then a sick woman. I no kill her left. Then now the minogri say both he pass for that Bon. I'm in them. He come hold we. Since for 5 o'clock yesterday night. We don't stand for the big saute, saute and them say we keep them small younger. All we crowd say now for live with that because big woman them there for inside boat. After I go, he say now for you better. We cry for inside body, cry, say, Baba, beg, they give me, say, beg my begin. Now me a born una beg, una no suffer me. Since for morning time, I never chop. Then we carry, we come live and for you pay. Around 12 o'clock night.
And just for Sabia swim, Mami, we get cargo them the talk. He try for continue for Terry. Wait till the gendarme people there, they behold them, they do them.
Gendarme don't come. Say, wait, he come out for outside Biafra. He take phone, he call other people, he call. One time, he seen them, he don't fraud for peace. We want go peace, it is so we touch, he no agree say we come out. He carry we, he go for, he call a moto, he come, they get 4 moto, he come back, other woman, he go back and for office. He take we statement, he take we book. Till now, the car could sit there for both. He don't know water, he don't swallow, or he never swallow, he beg them he no agree. If in them he no agree, say that we Nigeria woman, they suffer. Because all man, he suffer now before he chop. If he no agree, better. He go talk for, we constantly say, you know, one say the woman, he day again, we go. Now the thing that he don't pass me, I don't know what if he do. Since yesterday, I never chop.
Yes, Mami be the talk for microphone for Steve Ebule for that side. So for Upwe Beach this afternoon, and just for Sabi for place where they call them say Idea. Now accident says way happen, country people them as well as see people then turn up for this hill. Now some motorway according to where the driver he talk, he say he be the waka, then another Gongoro where he be the camp for a back, whether now waiting be the happen with the Gongoro just push him small. Now so to the motor, he tumble side, he fall for inside that valley, but lucky as well as the side of the chapel place, all the people there they be there inside that motorway fall for that valley. No person, he no be go 6 feet, and no person, he no get that kind of serious cut for his skin as well to re-enter for we ear. And just for Sabi as well talk, they say Gongoro, he pushes Sabi say when elephant the waka, he push any small thing, effect it must be strong, and the thing that way happen for this motorway be the waka for road nayo before it did so Gongoro he can push him before for down. No man e no die for this accident. For road wey dey comot boya enter Douala or for comot boya go Mutengene too, e be wawa on top that road. E be dey na for Sunday. Traffic motor dey turn up for long line so the time no be dey. According to tori wey enter we here, wetin wey provoke the traffic na accident wey happen again on top Mutengene bridge. For people there, they sabi that road, so e make am motor dem dey no be fit for waka. According to wey they get for waka, motor e turn up for long line. So plenty people then just now they don dey talk say make governor is try for the check sense as well they go dey open another road for some sites as well ndamba dey come for inside we country so that if accident block for one side another road go dey where people they go fit for pass. Sabi say fee for boya Moliko they go dey make training a show for day as we sabi am. Now we go remain for inside Southwest. Take una go for that side from Malingo Tap Street as we dey call am. Now pour this for light high tension wey don fall for there for more than 1 week as we tori dey enter for we ears since wey the fall e don fall. Even company wey dey local light I no sabi say una don sabi if nothing the way e dey happen, and this road pikin dem dey pass for dey go school. This road other big people dem too dey pass. People dey waka with their 2 foot, they can pass for dey, and for corner light is also dey for inside the compound. So people dey beg na beg say make the company wey dey local light e can do something. See for them as so they don't fall for down, and current it is also pass for that rope wey e been a big danger particular for pikin dem wey dey pass for dey go school. So they try for beg. If one never sabi, we don't talk for now. Boya big man wey dey look out light, make una go fix that pole. If for na for Tap Street Malingo, we don't give on already the direction. So now for now for go help that people them come out that rope for that side. We go take una go for Mbuda for West Region. Country people them, custom people themselves, they don't do serious work for day. We will give them congratulate this afternoon. Country people them now. So that motorway una see out cargo, so no be na just normal cargo them where they carry custom put the cash as well they cash jam motor, they carry go for them big office for that side. So from Buddha all that in wanna see am say they put na con for the first bag, then number 2 bag again a banger for inside country people them. So as well custom people they talk for we, they talk say they so they cash this motor e come up for Kumbu for Northwest Region, e pass enter for Bafusam, no man no wise, e want enter from Buddha for continue e waka for come for Douala. Now for they way custom people there they for roads, they wise am one time they cash the motor as well they open am na only mbanga e be there for inside where they don't fair take na con put am for the first bag for say make the people them they no sabi say na mbanga they don't carry am, and sabi say one time oga do for that side say from Buddha where e become e see as well they be dey open the bag. E don't talk say congratulate for police and gendarme people them for say with gendarme and the custom people them where they be try for work hand before they catch this motor where e be dey carry a con where the true thing where they be carry am for inside e be dey na mbanga. So big man do e don't beg say make the population e continue for work hand with gendarme and even the custom people them after we they catch these bags them we nambanga be there for inside. And as I talk for now it be the cam now for inside Douala, it come up for Kumbu for Northwest Region, it pass for Bafusam, they no smell am as we one pass on Buddha, custom people they smell am now so to they catch am. So they bag them plus the driver and person will be there inside motor, all them they for back counter, they help with investigate on top that chapter. We enter just now for inside Mujuka 2 and 1 na Kwatadad. Now for the place that we target from Banga, Ide, country people them. These are people there they shit down for inside Mujuka. They are so here. They don't shit down for more than 1 moon. They never get light for inside day. They talk saying that the problem where people themselves the other village them for corner. They be get them before, but after they come fix them, the people them from Mujuka side they never get light. So for Sikada one, these people them from Mujuka, they be come out for outside, they talk say it don't too much, they try for talk say waiting meeting. Say make the company where the local lights make it can put them back their light. And according to the Congo side, where the people then say that they talk for we, that they talk say some particular person they way automatic be then I work for can do the work for say me put them get light. But the man he don't talk say so far as way the pass for that toll gate, he pay 500. Say now until time when they go talk say make you no pay 500 again for toll gate. Now time that way he go give people them lights where they should on for corner toll gate. So just now they try for ask and say who side the power come out. They beg divisional officer Oga Vo Armstrong when a peace man say make he come look inside the palava. If true that man way he the work for a new or for company the local light, he talk say he go stop if they tell he say make he no pay toll gate money again. Now that time he go give light. Then Oga Vo Armstrong when a DO he get for make investigate inside the palava. So the people them they don't shut down for more than 3 weeks. Light in no day. Make we hear them. They talk for with microphone after them work for vex.
They will pay us so. They never saw we will apply light for year over. And this small minute they call we light. In this small minute they call we light. We don't know we wrong way. We don't get time for year way. They saw the material for apply light. Now we our own vendor say, may they find solution how we. When they look and say, now what you make they saw the call we light where all apparate them people they get apparate them for us. People that apparate don't spoil.
It don't be for 3 weeks now. We not get light. We don't know all our payage be insignificant. This problem be happen. The other people, them Kombe and the rest, they don't get light. But payage not get light. We don't know if payage not exists for inside littoral. So we don't know if any they get any problem whatsoever.
See the go one we don't get light for payage. We never spoil no nothing. I beg we na hella we light. I beg. Mommy picking their papa. I beg we na hella we light. I beg. My fish are all rotting all for inside the house because of fish no day. I beg papa would beg you say may you put hand for this matter. May we too will get light. So say more manage with the picking the papa. We just beg. We just beg you for God's name. It don't mean why we hold. They can't pull that pole. They can't pull that pole now. That man will give a quality and addition to an waiting. It's a force. He said the number grace may pass when no pay payage. When me say all man the pay payage. He said no fish life. He the deny life for waiting. We want life for payage. See that bush so na bush. I'm rubber the feel height with that bush so they can't keep people here because na bush now. Now popular now that inside that grass them. Where I'm rubber the feel height for they can't finish people for here. They jump again for inside grass. They never green say may pass or pay where you not pay. Sometimes I want law where he said don't go time. No. People they pass to here can't people they pass to they pay payage. My feet.
Yes, so Oga Divisional Officer from Banga try for go make investigate for that palava where they talk. Say person we get for put them the light. He don't talk say until day where they go talk say make you no pay toll gate money. 500 before you go check for put that people them light for side for Mbanga for toll gate. So try for make investigate. As I be say you been a peace man. Oga Vo Armstrong will be DO from Banga subdivision. We go left that chapter, but we'll continue for chapter for Waka for Vex where they happen to. We take una just now. We enter for barrier or before we enter continue. Just so Sabi say na the light pole and that na transformer that way they cause problem where they don't come fair fix them. Give other people them light. Then side where the things except they never fit forget light. And Sabi for seeker this problem when light in no day all that of them they don't just turn up for day. People their meter they don't turn up but no light current the pass for the at all Binet it don't turn up for one place even as we meter then the show say normal the people they don't connect for light but Binet people them particular one they get granny machine where they them at all just now for do them Binet except say they go buy na fuel before they come for can use them so you don't make them even people there they get fish or the granny machine them plus one them two where they sell fish by force they don't start dry fish other fish and they say they don't rotten so they beg na beg make the people them do something before something do them inside the same chapter for Waka for Vex we take on go for barrier quarter inside Makenene where these country people themselves they provoke inside the weekend will just finish their Vex it then say waiting some company for here where it the crackstone inside them quarter it don't cause plenty confusion so the road one of the CM na condition where they don't give say if that company no come quota the road trouble go dey. You understand? So they say the company they can't carry stone all time. It go. It don't promise and say go fix road, but he never fix am. So they block road. Say make the company he own ngongo road where he can carry stone, make it no pass. And number 2 thing, sabi say as well they bomb that stone them for under. It make on a ground to the shake. That ground it don't chakara plenty people them house. They people they don't talk say if the company can fix the house them too, that road it goes also continue for block, and they talk say now over their die body on top that die body where that company goes also continue for work. Sabi say after we gendarme then come, we see first motor for Ngongoro where it come with a gravel for can throw am for talk say they want fix the road. When at the first condition that, and the number 2 condition now for build back the house for people them where the bomb where the bomb stone for under it don't make the house it fall. For that side for West region, also for this chapter for Waka for Vex. Now people they already make binet for Kunki and place where they call them say Mifi, or them na zone them for inside the West region. Them say they be come out for outside, they provoke. And these people them now one day where they do transact, they do binet with money inside Tingni, and they talk say the company where they be the work with them when a Tingni company where they call her MTN. Some half time if they be the do binet with them, it be the go nayo only for the company, the Trinity company for show them another person where they get for past 3. But just now after plenty time they don't do their binet, money the show, and even the company they don't enter for Sosongo. They never give them more than 25 million where they the action just now. Now he make these people them for inside Nkunki, and one day they come up for Mifi. They come for a big office for Trinity company for talk for them say waiting, make they try for check sense on top this their problem. If no be so, they go so continue for Shidon for their dom up as we Tori enter inside we hear. And last after 2 times where they announce show, the number 3 time it show. Make we take on go for Douala International Airport where just now first aeroplane for Cameco it don't last go for up. And this one, it happened on Sunday when a number 18 day inside October moon. So you see all the people there, they there where they tell you say bye-bye, oh boy, or bye-bye. All them, they be the go enter now for aeroplane. Yes, now the first one that, where it come out Douala after plenty time. Where it dey so, they be talk say waiting, say they go for up. Sabi say the aeroplane, now aeroplane say where it dey so they go begam. And not so stranger them, that they look at the aeroplane so last. Cameco, it first aeroplane, it don't come out for country, and that one it happen on Sunday as we Tori enter inside we hear. We go come out for that chapter just now. We enter for inside this palaver for Kumbu as we talk for now. After we country fashion we wrong, it come up for outside for sweep all the thing the way they don't happen from Kumbu for Northwest region. People them for aside for Kumbu, they also continue for top. Say this so no nothing, it never change. As we popcorn, it is also hala for day for inside Kumbu, and Sabi say we don't be come out now for say make all that gun them they stop. But even after we don't just finish doing country fashion, they kill some boy, and since the day they kill that boy, people them for they never so continue for sleep with all their 2 eye them lock. Sabi say them the prepare place too for that big fun where it don't come out for village for plenty time now. Corona as well see on Sunday 39,681,253 people them total case where they get them for the whole world. 27,293,615 they don't already well inside the whole world. 1,109,992 people them they don't already die inside the whole world for sick way they call them say corona inside Cameroon. According to number the way minister for sick people he sent them for outside some days them ago for weekend, he said 21,430 total number where they don't get that sick since we enter for Cameroon. 424 people them they don't already die, and 20,333 people they don't already well from the sick, while 673 people them there's also there for on top hospital bed. One person is there on top oxygen for the day we minister be send this number them outside. 31 people them they so they for their own condition. Sabi say according to the percentage of put there the well 95% now where they don't give them for put there the well, and the way the corona it turn for we country, they talk say that rate now only 0.14%. People there they dey for on top bed now 0.9%. As we minister talk, and it is also remind we respect commander the way they don't give them. We enter for inside South Africa according to W2OC. South Africa 1,667 people where they don't catch that sick, and total number the way they so they don't die 18,471. And you go see say doctor they already test more than 4 million people them for South Africa on top this sick. Buhari own country also enter on Sunday. They catch 133 new people there they catch the sick inside Buhari country. 1,125 people that they don't already die for Zika corona since we enter Buhari country, and 61,440 people that don't catch the sick since we enter for day, while 56,611 people them they already well come out for sick beds. We go quick enter now inside the newspaper the way they did for we before. We go start with the one way it did for we before just now. We start with the Crown newspaper where they outside Horizon first. Horizon they try for tell we trouble for Northwest and Southwest. Ayuk Tabe he don't talk. Ayuk Tabe if he don't talk to make all people they enjoy him for work, but even as we talk for them, they say people they just sigh. They don't even follow way to the top for say make them work like one. Oga Paul Tasson says Lebialem elite they don't glad play on top waiting. He was 3D printer way SSM na some person from Lebialem he do am. You go read Tori where he consign palava in school picking them. The Crown he try for tell we today say the new phone tax that the talk say last he no work again as well they be talk for number 15 day inside this month. So for inside the Crown you feel read Tori where he consign a Prime Minister SSM inside the Crown newspaper plus other Tori there with Tori people them for the Crown they put them. The Herald Tribune in the talk for we say honor them where they be they absent honor where be they absent. Honorable Nestus Fru he says we don't show face again after we plenty he don't make plenty fake promise them as we the Herald Tribune it talk. You go read Tori too for inside the Herald Tribune where it try for tell we as we think that they happen. They start the tell for we as we plenty glad as we people they don't enter back for college as we new school year start. Minister says for college book Ma Paulina Lovalionga if you go plant tree them for that side. So for Limbe the Star newspaper is also get order to read them. Vice Chancellor for University of Boya he don't turn up a foot strong concerning land palava where people that they enter for inside university land. Minister Nalova Lyonga says he don't launch tree he don't launch this way plant stick them for inside Limbe College as we the advocate he talk for we inside Eden newspaper where they outside they say big man for Nasla he don't last talk after their first Ndongame where they get them. So for Eden you go read Tori where consign Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute where the talk say make them respect court order for university land. The Sun newspaper they try for talk for we Pamol their new big people them they don't get big camp goods for inside Indian division. Now so you go read concerning PM Chief Dr. Joseph Jongute where he says he become open new big canoe them for inside Douala Seaport as we wanna see him. And the Sun newspaper he carry order to read them. The Post he try for talk for we this palava for phone tax that one says it don't fail for Sika waiting connection in no day inside. You go read Tori too where he consign Douala Seaport and other thing them inside the Post where it day outside. Guidance Post the talk for we Njan SDO people that the talk say waiting he don't put person we no be na a Kondo Titi countryman for on top chair like chief and just now a Kondo Titi people them they provoke Santa says he get a Tori for inside the Guidance Post where it day outside plus other Tori them. Cameroon insider the talk for we as a woman then say they don't talk say make country he hear them sabi say for plenty time they don't deny for hear way to a woman they want talk. So just now woman they too they don't turn up they talk say country he must to hear them. Other small strong number them the day for Cameroon insider. Breaking news in the talk for we that Musanga where they gear for Shea Jones CMB for Sika better work where he don't do am for country and even for Douala Seaport. Plenty other to read them day where if you read them inside breaking breaking news. And Newswatch, we go come up for outside with them, country people them. Inside Newswatch, it talk for we, say the only Anglophone person will be she done for exam, for section for defense, inside ENAM, say they don't put in her for wait until made a check sense. You go read to, wait to a consign, Dr. Chi Asafo, where he says he don't gather plenty people them, for say make school, they turn back, better, for inside the own place where he come out. Plenty to read them the day, and newspaper then say the day outside. Country people them we will fit for follow up. Country now for them will finish Tori for this afternoon. Number 1 day inside the new week will start. Before we come out, we want to say happy birthday for you. Fube Stephanie, you the look we for Yawende, you get 1 year. Happy birthday for you, Fube Stephanie. Just now, I want to say big thank you for Amos Fongo, Malis, Francis Boyum, where they be there for backside the blow fire for say make the Tori a better pass. If all waka fine and if Papa God agree, now he get power. If he agree say we'll go meet out tomorrow, then at 8 o'clock. On a whole, I'm tight for outside.